Hi, my name is Jenny and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to do an unboxing of some cooking tools. One of the boxes, because I don't know for sure which one it is, has some free items. I hosted a cooking show recently with Pampered Chef, and it was actually a virtual show. And I earned about $90 in free product. 50 of that I used towards a consultant's kit because I was interested in becoming a consultant, which I used to do before. And then the other 40 is sitting right here in this box. So I'm super excited because I earned some free product. All right, so I'm really excited and let's get started. All right, we're gonna open this one first because I'm pretty sure this one actually has the freebie items in it just because it's a little bit lighter. And yeah, don't cut yourself. This is a really sharp knife. This is actually a PC knife as well, which has a lifetime warranty on it. I'll throw that out there. All right, what do we got in here? Okay. So that one's just a thank you for ordering with your receipt. And let's see. So this one is the microwave pasta maker. Let's get it out of the box. Oh my goodness, it's really in here, guys. I don't want to break it because it is glass. Okay, there we go. It was in there nice and tight. And then this is, so basically you're gonna like make your meal in here. You're not gonna cook the pasta with it, or you're not gonna cook it ahead of time. You're gonna put it all in here, and then this lid goes on top of it. I think it goes this way. And then it steams in the microwave and you actually make an entire like lunch. So this would be great like for my husband who likes to take his lunch to work with them. Or my kids, when they come home, I can just have these like ready and they can just throw it in the microwave and have lunch or dinner like ready to go. And it's a single serve. So excited about that. Oy. And then this one is for the entire family. So this one is a popcorn bowl for the microwave. Because as most of you know, if you buy the popcorn bags from the grocery store, they have all kinds of like preservatives and yucky stuff in them. You take the kernels, no, the butter goes in here, so you can put butter and melt it in here. And you measure out the kernels in here, put the kernels in there, put it in the microwave. I know it depends on what your wattage is of your microwave, and then you cook it, and then you get like fresh popcorn. And then it's got like a fancy little bowl and it folds down for easy storage. I gotta figure out that because, how does it fold? There we go. And it folds nice and thin for storage. And then there's also new spices and stuff that you can sprinkle on the top. There's new spices that came out specifically for this bowl. Okay, and then one more. And this one was actually from the consultant that I hosted with. Because I opted to become a consultant, she threw this one in for free so that I could use my products as demos. And I'm really excited about this one. Especially being a new year, to like eat a little bit healthier. So you put all of your salad stuff in there, and then you can actually slice the salad from the bottom. And yeah, you put all your ingredients in there and then slice it, and then you put it in the bowl, and then that bowl you can take with you for your salad to go. And then it's got, you can put all your little condiments and stuff up in the top. So that's the freebies. And then let's get into the new consultant kit. So this consultant kit is a smaller kit that they came out with specifically for March. And because I hosted a cooking show and the show was just over $500, I earned $90 in free kit, $90 in free product. 50 of that I put towards a kit credit. And then the other 40 is sitting right here, other than the host special that I got from my my consultant. So this one, so let's see what this $39 kit has. This one is the breakfast sandwich maker. So you can make like your own homemade McMuffin type of things. Break the yolk before microwaving. Oh, so anyways, that's the breakfast sandwich maker. I'll be demoing this one so that I can learn how to use it more and show you guys as well, because this one's a new product. I've never used this one before. This one's the veggie strip maker. I actually have this one because I got it when it first came out. So it's a stripper. That was supposed to be funny. Anyway, so this one is the veggie strip maker. You take your veggies on there, and it's actually sharp. It doesn't feel like it would be because it's plastic, but it is. And you make strips out of your carrots, your squashes, and so forth, and you can put those on top of your pastas, your salads, and so forth. So this one might actually end up as a giveaway tool since I already have this one, but let's wait and see. And this one is actually the microwave pasta cooker that I just opened as my freebie, because before I signed up, this one was a suggestion as a demo tool because I was contemplating signing up, and then the new kit came out for the spring, and it already had this one in it. So now I have one that I can take to lunch at work, and my husband has one to use as well. So I have a second one. And then the consultant, it also comes with paperwork. So it's got invitations, catalogs. Oh, I forgot about these. These are really cool. So these are new koozies for, where's that at? This is the bigger one. For these, so that when you take them out of the microwave, you can put them on your lap and you don't burn yourself. So they're little koozies. And then this one would fit the breakfast sandwich maker. And then catalogs. So if anybody needs a catalog, let me know. I can throw one in the mail. We can meet up, especially if you're local. We can meet up. I can get you a catalog. And then all the host paperwork. So let me know if you'd like to do a virtual show. I can do live demos and recipes. Love recipes. And some of these should include a few of the items that I got, so I will definitely be coming back and doing some demos with these. All right, thank you all for watching. There'll definitely be more to come. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you liked what you saw. Don't forget to hit the bell so that you get notifications. And eventually I'll have more videos, so I'll be doing this whole thing so you can watch this video or that video, but I don't have that just yet. So give me some time. And let's get cooking. I can't wait to come back and show you some cool recipes.